Hello everyone. Today we're installing a herd bumper on a Peterbilt 379, and I've already got the bracket installed, and then I figured I should make a video about it, but it's already put on. But it's pretty simple. You just take the old bumper off and then you bolt the new one right there and up there in the old bolt holes off the factory bumper. Got her all cleaned up. So now I just gotta zip tie up those wires and stuff underneath and get rid of those two little brackets right there from the old bumper. And then we can throw the new one on and I can show it to you guys.